and hit enter. May the Morse be with you.
Welcome to Fresh Forensics, your go-to destination for everything Linux.
Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel.
What's up everyone? Thank you for taking time out of your day to tune into my channel and watch my video. Please stop whatever you're doing right now, hit that subscribe button. It really truly goes a long way. And if you get anything out of this video, if you even laugh, chuckle, or smile one time, give me a like, drop a comment in the description. Let me know what it did for you. So we are going to head over to github.com/Douglas Fresh Habian. This is the beginning of all of my various repositories on GitHub. You can learn a little bit more about me. If you want to verify my certificates, you can do that from over here. I have a couple of them. The one that I am most proud of is my LPIC 1, which certifies me as a Linux system and server administrator. If you can't tell, I am deeply passionate about all things Linux. Let's go ahead and come up here to repositories and click on that. It's going to take you to this page right here. You have a list of all of my repositories. The one that we are looking at today is called Morse Bash. When you click on it, it takes you to this page right here, and Morse Bash is a bash script that converts text into Morse code with sound, and newly added is that it also includes live dot dash output. First thing that you see here is this wonderful image of Tux dressed as maybe a spy or something in the Cold War era, and he's clearly sending out a very important message that looks like it might say Fresh Forensics. And this is meant to be a fun, colorful bash script. Everything doesn't have to be serious and have to do with performing boring sysadmin tasks on the command line. So this does convert text into Morse code with both audio playback as well as live visual input. It depends on a package called aplay, and you can install this by itself, but usually it comes with a larger package called ASA utils. And the usage is pretty straightforward. Just run the script and provide it with whatever words that you wish to use to convert into Morse code. If you do not provide any arguments, then it's going to use a sample message, and that sample message is Fresh Forensics. You do want to make sure that the dot wave and the dash wave files are in the same directory as the script, and this is how it is by default when you do the git clone on the repository. So if you do not have aplay installed, it's simple. Just run the command right here, sudo apt install ASA utils. You can just copy and paste that into your terminal. And here's an example of using hello world, and this is the actual output of hello world in Morse code. Down here at the bottom of the page, I actually have a little typing SVG that is typing Fresh Forensics, which is pretty cool. All right, so you come up here to the green button. We're going to copy the HTTPS URL to the clipboard. Down here on the command line, I'm going to cd inside of a directory that I've created called tests. I use this to test out my GitHub repositories. We're going to go ahead and do a git clone of that repository and paste in that URL. When the git clone has finished, you can cd into the newly created directory that is called Morse Bash. Do an ls, and this is what it looks like. We can go ahead and make that bash script executable by running chmod +x and then providing the name of the script, and now it is executable. So let's go ahead and run the Morse bash script. I'm going to provide it with hello world and turn my volume up so that you can hear the actual dot and dash noises, and hit enter. May the Morse be with you. So that's it, pretty basic. There's not a whole lot that I can really say to add upon this. Obviously, you can use different words. The script does not distinguish between an upper and a lowercase. So if you provide it with uppercase, it's going to treat it as a lowercase. And for the most part, the Morse code representations that are printed to the screen are accurate, though I have seen some examples where it seems like it wasn't 100% accurate, and those are things that I'll work out and update in later versions. If you have any ideas or you have any suggestions as far as how I could improve upon this, I welcome those. Just put it in a pull request over on the GitHub page. And lastly, if you are interested in supporting me, supporting the work that I do, there are numerous ways that you can do this, not just by subscribing to me on YouTube, but you can also become a YouTube channel member. But over here on the GitHub page and all of my GitHub pages, you will see links. So over on the right-hand side, you can support me through Ko-Fi, Buy Me a Coffee, or Patreon. All right, so there is one more thing I would like to point out. And that is that you may want to do some customization to this, which is wonderful. By all means, change it, customize it. That's what we are supposed to do. And in doing that, you may want to add some different sounds, because that's what I did. So when it comes to the dot and the dash, I chose to try to keep it accurate to the way that Morse code might sound, but you might want to change those sounds. If you do, there's numerous sites you can go out to get those. You can go out to sites like Pixabay and other ones like that, and just download your own sounds, or you could probably even create your own, and then just make sure that you put them inside of this directory so that the bash script can locate them. And if you want to see the variable that does that, if you open up the script, it is right here underneath. The WAV file should be in the same directory as script section. I'm referencing it with a // because it's in the same directory. If you want to change that, then just provide the full path to wherever you are locating that sound. You can make modifications to this, such as with the spacing of the letters, and these are the variables where you would make those changes. And here's the exit message. Feel free to change any of this stuff. Let me know your thoughts. Let me know if you come up with something better. I'm curious to see what you guys are able to do with this.
If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more Linux, cybersecurity, and hacking content. And as always, keep learning
and stay fresh.
I'll see you in the next video.